Okay.
Okay, hi guys. Today we received a gift from Hasbro.
Hasbro Great Gifts.
Hasbro Great Gifts. But it says Ziyaad Plaatjes on there, actually.
But there's not supposed to be an
There's
eye.
not supposed to be an eye, so it's Ziyaad Plaatjes. I don't know. It's not Plaatjes.
It's supposed to be Plaatjes and no eye.
Okay. Okay. So it has my name, so it's a gift for me.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. But it's Hasbro Great Gifts, so I'm assuming it's for Isa. Isa, do you want to see what's inside?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's see what's inside.
Okay. So we have Hasbro Great Gifts. Let's see what's inside here.
Okay, that's a nice little bag. Is that an Okio bag? Yes, it is. These are these nice eco-friendly bags, drawstring bags.
Okay, let's see what we have inside. Okay, what is this? It's Play-Doh. This is Play-Doh.
Play-Doh slime fluff. Oh, that's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try that out. Play-Doh slime. Okay.
Okay, what else do we have?
This is something new.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we have Monopoly.
Monopoly bid. Oh, wow, that's a
Card game.
card game.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
That's different. Monopoly bid. Buy, trade, or steal properties. Collect 3 property sets to win. So this is a new card game from Monopoly.
Cool.
Okay.
We have, oh wow.
Oh wow, what's that?
Do you know what it is?
You tell me what that is. That's a Power Ranger. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. So this is Beast Morphers. Okay, so this is an action figure of the Blue Ranger in Power Rangers.
Okay, cool.
That's cool.
Then what do we have? Okay. We have
Hasbro Great Gifts. Unwrap the magic of the season with an exciting range of great gifts brought to you by Hasbro. So those are all the Hasbro Great Gifts. You can see all of them on our website. That's iloveza.com. We've got a list of all the Hasbro Great Gifts for this holiday season. And we've got also, there's Love at First Play. So there's a quiz or a test, Hasbro Play Personality Quiz, that's also available on our website, www.iloveza.com. Check it out, take the quiz. And one more thing, we are running a Hasbro Great Gifts competition. We're giving away a Monopoly hamper valued at 2,100 Rand, which includes Monopoly Builder, Monopoly Fortnite, and Monopoly Deal. So check out our website. It's on our front page, but you can also go to the competitions page, and we'll put the link in the description of this video as well. And you can enter to win a Monopoly hamper valued at 2,100 Rand. Follow the hashtag Hasbro Great Gifts and follow us on social media at iloveza.com, hashtag iloveza heart South African flag, and hashtag after Fajr grind. We on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel And I'm Ziyaad, and this was Isa
And
doing the
we love
unboxing.
Zede.
Today.